Hey everyone, wanted to make a quick video to outline how we're going to be sort of downloading and installing the software on Mac for MIST 4630. Essentially we're going to be using three things. First of those is going to be Eclipse for enterprise Java and web developers. The second of those is going to be Corretto 21. And the third of those is going to be Tomcat 10.1. What we want to do is we want to go and download Eclipse. So I'll search for Eclipse download. And essentially we'll be able to go here and we're just going to go ahead and download packages. Because the reason we have to do this is if we were using a previous version of Eclipse, which you probably were in 4600, that's not going to be the version we need for this class. We need to make sure we're downloading Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. So go ahead, you'll see the macOS links here. Now to figure out which one of those two you need, it's important that you figure out if you have an Intel or an Apple Silicon processor. To do that, you're going to go click on the Apple icon, go to About This Mac, and you're looking for the chip information. It should either say Intel or it should say Apple M1, Apple M2, Apple M3, so forth. You'll see here that I have Apple M1 Pro. That means I have an Apple Silicon processor. If it said Intel, what you would do, if it says Intel, you'll download this x86 64 version. If you have Apple Silicon, you'll download the ARCH 64 version. So go ahead and download that. And then while that's downloading, you can go ahead and search for Apache Tomcat. You'll go to apache.org. You can see it's the Tomcat website. On the left toolbar here, you will see different download links. Go ahead and click on Tomcat 10. We're using Tomcat 10 in this class, and specifically we're using the latest version of Tomcat 10.1. At the time I made this video, that version is 10.1.34. Now on Mac, all we have to do is download the core. We can grab this tar.gz if we want. So we'll grab that tar.gz version, go into our downloads folder, double click it inside a Finder, and then we have the Apache Tomcat 10.1.34 folder. We can drag that to somewhere else. Just make sure we make note of where we put that. So the final thing I need to download is I need to download Corretto 21. So I will just search for Corretto 21. Takes me to the AWS Amazon website. And you can see here that we have Corretto 21 download. We can scroll throughout this list of different operating systems to find the one that we're on. So again, if you have an Apple Silicon processor, you're going to be using ARCH 64. Just click on that download right there. And if you're on an Intel processor, you're going to be using the x86 version for macOS. So go ahead and download that. And then what you want to do is you want to go into Finder. If you have a previous version of Eclipse installed, you want to go ahead and uninstall it. And if you don't have a previous version installed, just go ahead and install first the Eclipse. So open up that DMG, run through the installation. I'm not going to bore you with that. I assume you can install software on your computer. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and install Corretto 21. Go ahead and open up this PKG file, run through the installation for Corretto 21. And once you've done that, you'll be ready to go ahead and open up Eclipse. First, you want to verify you're in the right version of Eclipse. You'll go click on Eclipse in the global menu bar, go to About Eclipse. You're just looking for it to say Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. You'll see that mine says that there, so we'll go ahead and close that. Now we can go click on that same Eclipse and go back into settings. Now, depending on the version you have, it might say preferences, but just click on settings or preferences. What we want to do here is we want to tell Eclipse to use Corretto 21 as the Java development kit, and we want to tell it to use Tomcat as our thing that we're using for the web server. So first, let's go ahead and expand out Java. Go to installed JREs. And we might get lucky with auto detect, so go ahead and click on auto detect and it might populate Corretto 21 in here for you. If it doesn't, it's not a big deal, just click on add. You're going to be adding a standard VM, and then you just browse to where it's installed. So it's going to be installed on the root of your hard drive. You'll go to Macintosh HD or Macintosh SSD, whatever you have. You'll go into library. Now you're looking for the Java folder inside of this library folder. So go ahead and find Java. Then from there you want to go to Java Virtual Machines. You want to be selecting Amazon Corretto 21. Go into the contents for that. Go ahead and go into the home folder. You can hit open. And you should see there that it's got this. You can go ahead and name this to Corretto 21 if you want. And once you're done with that, you'll see that you have the Corretto 21 JDK. You can just hit finish. So I'm going to hit cancel because I've already got it. But that's how you would go about configuring it. I strongly recommend that you set this as default. That way everything you do in this class is going to be working with Amazon Corretto 21. Set it as default, just put a check mark beside it and hit apply. Next, you want to configure your server. So to do that, you'll go to server, you'll expand that out, go to runtime environments, click on runtime environments, and you'll click on add. So you'll have a list of all these different server possibilities. We're working with Apache Tomcat 10.1. So go ahead and select that. And now you need to figure out where exactly it is that you downloaded and extracted Tomcat to. In my case, I was a little bit lazy, just left it inside of my downloads folder. So I'm going to select that folder that I've already extracted the contents of, hit open, and then we hit finish. And when I do that, you will see that I now have this server available. So you'll hit apply and close once you've done all of that, and then you'll be all set. So, hope that video was helpful. Also hope you have a great rest of your day.